A cinch, Mumbly. This job's a cinch. Playing watchdog at a high society charity show is like having an afternoon off. And I get to see the great Merlini for free.
And now for Merlini's greatest feat. A jewel disappearing act that's hard to beat. A ruby brooch, a pearl or two, a diamond ring of brilliant blue. A badge of gold, if I may be so bold.
Boy, this guy is great.
One necklace, 2 rings, 1 badge.
Relax, Lieutenant. It's just part of his act.
Observe, the jewels are all in here. But I, Merlini, will disappear.
Great act, huh?
My jewels! Merlini vanished with my jewels!
My gold watch! He took my watch!
Calm down, folks. I'm Chief Snooker, and I'll get to the bottom of this. No sign of him on the bottom. So you bust him, Mumbly, or I'll bust you.
Yep.
That mutt's got no respect going over my head.
A clean getaway is really tragic, 'cause no cop can cope with Merlini's magic. That sassy snicker, those real cool looks. It's gotta be Mumbly, the nemesis of crooks.
Yep. Taking you in.
Taking me in? Sorry, Mutt, hate to offend ya, but you can't arrest me when you're in India.
Some fuzzy fire.
A car is all right for any old thug, but a crook like me prefers a rug.
Gotcha.
Wipe that snicker off your face. It's time for you to take my place.
There's a fuzzy little bag in a...
Now I shall exit with a smile and fly like a bird to my enchanted isle. Now here in my castle I can take a rest after I add the loot to my treasure chest.
Taking you in.
Now that will hold the little creep while I get some needed sleep. Ah, applause! But it sounds like pause. So far you're lucky, you pesky pest, but now you will suffer my magical best. Presto, shrinko! Your chase is over, you nit of a gnat. Whoops, he's gone. So I guess that's that. Speak, magical crystal. Give me a hint. Shall I empty Fort Knox or the treasury mint?
Neither one.
You sound like Mumbly. Look like him too. I know it's impossible, but is it really you?
Yup.
You meddling, bothersome furry mishap! You'll change to a frog with my magical zap! Yikes! Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Enjoy your joke, you canine ham! But as for me, I'm gonna scram. At last I lost him. No sign of the mutt, which means I beat him. He finally gave up. As a super detective, he's full of baloney to think he could outwit the great Maloney. It can't be. It looks like he's got me. If I don't beat it soon, gadzooks, I've got it. I'll escape to the moon. At last, no more Mumbly. And there's no ifs and buts. If I saw him up here, I'd surely go. Mumbly, how did you get here?
Shortcut, dig.
There's one place on Earth where I'll be safe from your snicker. And I'll be there before your eyelids can flicker.
Magic, huh?
Safe at last, the end of the trail, 'cause Mumbly can't get me while I'm in jail.
Chief, will you tell our television audience how you captured Merlini without leaving your office?
Oh, call it that old schnooker magic.
Is it true that famous dog detective was on the case?
Are you kidding? Mumbly hasn't been seen since the robbery, so I'll just have to take all the credit.
Are you quick, buzzard, snooker?
Mumbly! Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle.
Yes, sir.
Where have you been, Mumbly? Disappearing in the middle of an important case. I got a good mind to put you on suspension for a month.